In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the 3DX9 underscore 29 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to note is the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of the system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL file and put download. Click on it on the first option, scroll down and click the download button corresponding to your system type. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then right click and then select Extract All. Click on Extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then select Copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder. Double click and look for the System32 folder. So once you find the System32, if you are 64-bit, go to the System32 folder. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYS Wow 64. Right click and then select paste and click on replace the file in the destination. After doing so, you have to restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. And second method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option and then simply scroll down and then you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ redistributable into your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.